guys, this is All Girls Are Awesome TV, and this is my cat Milo. She's the cutest cat you can ever imagine. Look at her, look. Oh, look at her, she's so cute. Milo. Okay. Puppy. Stop licking yourself. Oh, look at the camera. There you are. See ya. Love you, girl. So, technically, Milo is a brown girl. She's crossed. We got at the animal refuge. See? And she's a tortoiseshell cross a tabby. Her parents were that. And we're raising her, and she was lost. So, we're just raising her. Bye. So, go subscribe down the bottom. See you. Bye.